Always to look for the bright side of life. Welcome, my dear fellow collectors, to a new episode of the Treasure Hunt in May episode of 2020. Thank God we don't have to search the dolls in the hay. Now they are already here and ready to be filmed for my treasure hunt. So what I found in May is this tropical Miko Barbie. I want a little close up. She's the first Asian American I have from the 80s. She's really the first one. I have not any of them in my collection until now. Now I have her. What I really like is the long black hair, which I would like to show you here. It's so shiny and it's so long. Of course I washed the hair when she came to me. So that's one of my finds for May. And we don't have to search the doll in the hay. Yay! My second find is this Hula hair. Barbie. It's the Afro-American version. She's often also considered to be Hula hair Christie. That's my second doll I found in May 2020. So she has not her original clothes, but I don't care. I just wanted to have one, and now I have all of them. Just second. So now you see Barbie. She came last year to me. Then we have the Christie, an Afro-American version of Barbie, not in original bikini, but at least dressed. And we have the Hula hair Teresa, almost complete, only missing her bikini top. Yay! And that's what I found in May. Here are all four of them together. Miko, Teresa, Christie and Barbie. I hope you like my little video with my treasure hunting finds. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. And here is your chance to participate in one of my next videos. I want to make a short video with video clips for my viewers, and I want you to tape yourself with the question, why do you collect? And what era are you specialized in? You can show me yourself or only your dolls, and answer me these two questions and send me the video, and then I'm going to make a clip out of your clips. Thank you very much. I hope you like my little video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Always to look for the bright side of life. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany.